What's up, everybody? It's your boy Leroy A. Brown, and today we're diving into the world of content creation. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about how to blow up your channel, rack up those views, and become the next internet sensation. I have got some seriously valuable tips to share that are going to change the game for you. We're talking about the stuff nobody tells you, the secrets to success that'll have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for the ultimate content creation masterclass. This is going to be epic. Let's do it. Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there, staring at the computer screen like it's speaking another language, wondering what kind of content will actually blow up. It can feel like you're drowning in a sea of other creators, all vying for the same views, likes, and subscribers. It's easy to get lost in the noise, second-guessing yourself and your ideas. Trust me, I've been there. The pressure to create something truly unique, something that stands out from the crowd, can be seriously overwhelming. But hold on, don't click away just yet, because in this video, we're breaking down those barriers and giving you the tools you need to conquer the content creation game. We're about to turn that overwhelm into pure, unadulterated confidence. Listen up, because this is important. The fact that you're here watching this video right now tells me you're serious about taking your content to the next level. You're hungry for knowledge, eager to learn, and ready to put in the work. And let me tell you, that's already half the battle. Most people give up before they even start, but not you. You're different, you're a go-getter, a future content creation superstar. Now I know what you're thinking. Leroy, this all sounds great, but where do I even begin? Well, my friend, you're in luck. I have put together the ultimate guide to content creation success, packed with tips, tricks, and strategies that actually work. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take notes, because things are about to get interesting. Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Leroy Brown. We're talking about becoming top content creators, and I know it can feel impossible sometimes. Like, where do you even start? Don't worry, I got you. First things first, I'm not gonna lie. Talking to a professional can be super helpful. They've been there, done that, and probably have a merch line to prove it. But let's be real, not everyone can just drop stacks on a consultant, right? That's why I'm here to give you some killer tips that won't break the bank. We're about to dive into the good stuff, the stuff that'll take your content from 0 to 100 real quick. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's turn you into the content creator you were born to be. This is about to be epic. All right, listen up, because this is huge. The biggest thing you need to succeed is to be yourself. Yeah, you heard me right. Don't try to be the next PewDiePie or Charlie D'Amelio. Be the best you can be. Authenticity is key, my friends. People can spot a fake from a mile away. So what makes you unique? What are you passionate about? Show the world your true colors and watch the magic happen. Because when you're genuine, people connect with you on a whole other level. They vibe with your energy, your humor, your style. That's how you build a loyal following that's going to be with you for the long haul. Remember, there's only one you in this world, and that's your superpower. So own it, rock it, and let your freak flag fly. Now I know what you're thinking, Leroy, I can't make awesome videos. I don't have a fancy camera or a studio. And to that I say, chill. You don't need all that fancy equipment to get started. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube or other channel. Start with what you have. Got a phone? Boom, you've got a camera. Got a closet? Perfect, that's your recording booth. The point is, don't let a lack of expensive gear hold you back. Your creativity and passion are way more important than any piece of equipment. As you grow and your channel starts making bank, then you can invest in better tools. But for now, focus on creating awesome content with what you've got. Trust me, people will connect with your story and your hustle way more than your fancy equipment. Yo, what's up, future content kings and queens? It's your boy Leroy Brown here. I know it can be super intimidating when you're just starting out. You see these massive YouTubers and think, how will I ever get there? But hold up, don't even trip, all right? Every big creator started exactly where you are right now, 0. They didn't let that stop them, and neither should you. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. It takes time, hustle, and that fire in your belly to create awesome content. So don't get discouraged if you're not blowing up overnight. Keep grinding, keep improving, and trust me, your time will come. You got this. All right, so you're fired up and ready to dominate the content creation game, right? But before you hit that record button, we gotta talk about your audience. You wouldn't throw a party without knowing who's coming, right? Same goes for your YouTube channel. Figure out who you're trying to reach. When people like what they see, they subscribe and tell their friends. It's a win-win. Alright, so we've talked about not comparing yourself to the big dogs and figuring out who your audience is. Now let's dive into something super crucial, finding your niche. Think of your niche like your superpower, your unique talent that sets you apart from everyone else. It's that sweet spot where your passions and your audience's interests collide. Maybe you're obsessed with cooking and love teaching people how to make killer vegan dishes. Boom, that's your niche. Or maybe you're a tech whiz who can explain complex gadgets in a way that even your grandma can understand. Bam! Niche unlocked. Finding your niche is all about identifying what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and what your audience is craving. Once you've got that figured out, you're well on your way to creating content that truly stands out from the crowd. Alright guys, listen up because this tip is huge. You gotta give the people what they want. Think of it like this. You wouldn't open a pizza place and only serve anchovies, right? You gotta know your audience, what they crave, what gets them hyped. Are they all about those crazy challenges? Do they love heartwarming stories? Figure it out and give them a whole buffet of content they can't resist. Remember, a happy audience means more views, more subscribers, and more love for you. It's a win-win situation, my friends. So put on your thinking caps, do your research, and deliver the content your viewers are hungry for. Let's make some magic. If you are pumped and ready to go, type in the comments, "I am ready to go." Yo, you know what's even better than crushing it solo? Crushing it with a squad. That's right, connecting with other creators in your niche is like leveling up your content game times 1,000. Imagine the collabs, the cross-promotion, the sheer brainpower of two creative minds coming together. It's like a content explosion waiting to happen. Plus, it's a great way to make friends, learn from each other, and grow your audience exponentially. Reach out to creators you admire, brainstorm some epic ideas, and watch the magic happen. You never know, you might just create the most legendary collab the internet has ever seen. Alright, listen closely because this is huge quality over quantity always. It's better to upload one mind-blowing video a week than 10 mediocre ones. Think about it. Would you rather watch a blurry, poorly edited video with bad audio, or a crisp cinematic masterpiece that keeps you hooked from start to finish? Exactly. Put in the effort, edit like a pro, and make sure your content is something you're truly proud of. Remember, you're building a brand here, and quality speaks volumes, so step up your game and show the world what you're made of. Alright, you've got the awesome content down, but listen up because this next tip is huge. It's all about consistency, guys. Think of it like your upload schedule is a magnet. Keep those uploads coming to pull in those views. Consistency is what got me to where I am now. And when I say consistent, I mean consistent. Okay, so you're being consistent, which is awesome, but nobody wants to eat pizza every single day. Eventually you get tired of it, right? Same goes for your content. You gotta mix it up, keep things fresh. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats. You could do a straight-up talking head video one day, then bam, hit them with a high-energy challenge the next. Maybe throw in some cool infographics, a behind-the-scenes vlog, or even a news segment related to your niche. The key here is to keep your audience on their toes. Surprise them. You want them to be excited to see what kind of craziness you're bringing to the table next. Plus, using different formats can help you reach a wider audience. Some people love watching long-form videos, while others prefer quick, bite-sized content. So, give the people what they want and give them variety. Alright, listen up because this tip is crucial for any aspiring content creator. Stay ahead of the game. Keep your finger on the pulse of what's hot, what's trending, what's blowing up the internet. Trends are like waves. Be the surfer riding them to success. Keep an eye on what's popular in your niche. Follow other creators, subscribe to newsletters, check trending hashtags. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to create relevant, engaging content. Don't be afraid to jump on a trend and put your own unique spin on it. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mr. Beast here. We all wish we had more hours in the day, especially as content creators. There's always something to do, right? Editing, filming, brainstorming, engaging with your community. Trust me, I've been there. It can feel like you're constantly playing catch-up. This chapter is all about working smarter, not harder. We're diving deep into time management. Stick around for some serious knowledge bombs. Alright guys, let's talk about feedback. I know, criticism can be tough to swallow, especially when you've poured your heart and soul into your content. But trust me on this, feedback, even the not-so-great stuff, is pure gold. Think of it like this. Your audience is giving you a direct line to what they love, what they don't, and what they want to see more of. That's like having $1 million focus group at your fingertips. Don't let those comments go to waste. Use that feedback, both positive and negative, to improve your content game. It's like leveling up in a video game, but instead of collecting coins, you're collecting valuable insights from your viewers. This is how you grow your channel and keep those viewers coming back for more. Okay, listen up, because this is important. Becoming a content creation master isn't about reaching some magical finish line. It's a journey, a constant process of learning, growing, and evolving your craft. Remember when you first started? Maybe your videos were a little rough around the edges, but guess what? You learned, you adapted, and you got better. That's the name of the game, my friends. Never stop experimenting, trying new things, and pushing your creative boundaries. The world of content creation is constantly changing, so you gotta be ready to adapt and learn new tricks. Stay curious, stay passionate, and never, ever stop trying to improve. If this is giving you a lot of value, and you are ready to dominate content creation type, I am ready. Alright guys, listen up. We're talking about being intentional. This isn't just throwing stuff at the wall and seeing what sticks. Nope. This is about having a plan, a vision for your content. Think about it like this. You wouldn't start a pizza place without knowing what kind of pizza you're gonna make, right? Same goes for your content. What's your message? What vibe you going for? Figure that out. Now once you got that plan, stick to it. Consistency is key, people. If you're all over the place, your audience won't know what to expect, and that's a one-way ticket to unsubscribe city. Trust me, the algorithm loves consistency. So, be intentional, be consistent, and watch your content blow up. Yo, you want to know the secret sauce to getting your content seen? It's called keyword research, baby. Think of it like a treasure map, and keywords are the X that marks the spot where all the viewers are hiding. See, when people search for stuff online, they use specific words, right? Keyword research helps you figure out exactly what those words are, so you can sprinkle them throughout your titles, descriptions, even your videos themselves. It's like this, if you're making the most epic video about underwater basket weaving, you gotta know what people are actually typing in. Are they searching for underwater basket weaving for beginners? Or maybe it's best underwater basket weaving techniques. Find those golden keywords and boom! Your content will be showing up at the top of search results, bringing in all those views. We're talking viral potential here, people. Okay, you've poured your heart and soul into creating some seriously awesome content. Now what? Time to unleash it upon the world. We're not just talking about one platform, people. We're going multi-platform. Think about it. You got YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. The list goes on. Each one is like a different stage, and your content is the star of the show. You gotta get it out there on every single one. Now, don't just copy and paste the same thing everywhere. Tailor it. Each platform has its own vibe, its own audience. A killer TikTok might not land the same way on LinkedIn, right? So diversify, adapt, and conquer. The internet is your oyster, my friends, and it's time to spread the love and your content far and wide. Alright guys, listen up. You've got your awesome content ready to go, right? But hold on, where are you blasting it out to? Each platform has its own vibe, its own audience, its own style. A 30-minute deep dive might crush it on YouTube, but on TikTok, people want that sweet short-form action. Tailor your content, my friends. The more you customize, the better your chances of going viral. Alright, you've got the content, you're hitting all the right platforms, but hold your horses. Before you hit that upload button, let's talk about your channel, that digital storefront where all the magic happens. You wouldn't open a burger joint with flickering lights, sticky tables, and a confusing menu, right? You want people to walk in and be blown away. Same goes for your channel. We need a killer banner, a profile pic that pops, and a clear, concise description. Create playlists that make sense, categorize your videos, and make it easy for viewers to find exactly what they're looking for. A well-organized channel screams, "I'm a pro," and trust me, viewers notice that stuff. You know how we're always trying new crazy stuff for the channel, like that time we filled my buddy's house with slime? Well, successful content creators, they do that too. They're constantly experimenting, seeing what works. And the best part is, they share it. Pay attention to what they're doing. How do they edit their videos? What kind of thumbnails do they use? What are they posting about? Don't be afraid to take inspiration from them. Put your own spin on it. Be authentic. Bring your own style to the table. It's like taking a blueprint and making it even better. Look, I've learned so much from other creators. It's how we all grow, right? We see something cool, we figure out how to make it our own, and boom, you've got something awesome that people are gonna love. Let's be real, building a successful channel is no walk in the park. It takes hustle, dedication, and a whole lot of patience. You're gonna face challenges, you might even want to quit a few times. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the thing, don't give up. Seriously. Remember why you started this in the first place. Was it to share your passion, to entertain people, to build a community? Hold on to that feeling, man. Every like, every comment, every new subscriber, those are victories. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small they seem. And when things get tough, remember you're not alone. There's a whole community of creators out there grinding just like you. We're all in this together. So keep pushing, keep creating, and never forget the power of your own awesomeness. Well, there you have it, my top tips for becoming a content creating superstar. We talked about finding your niche and getting inspired by the greats. Be yourself, be consistent, and always bring that fire. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content creator advice. Let me know in the comments what you're most excited to try. Also subscribe to this channel and follow me at leroyabrown.ca. Share this video with a friend. Now go out there and make some incredible content.